Hello and welcome to the channel. Jamie here from JAYP Cars. You join me in our new unit, and this is the first video that I've done of 2025. As you can see, the unit has been changed. We moved from one to the other because the other one was so far away that it was taking me too much time and money running my Range Rover back and forth to that unit.
But first we had work to do, because this was what greeted us. It took weeks to clear, not helped by the need to store everything in another place, which also needed emptying. Moving stuff from here to there and back again meant that we slowly started to make space, and it showed a need to make more. So I took down the ceiling to increase the working height, removed the back wall to reveal some windows, and light started to show the potential. I soon made a scrap pile and started planning the layout with artwork to be jealous of. I measured the cabinets from the old unit and decided to tuck them away around the corner, but first I needed to paint. With a special thanks to my granddad for helping. We still had loads to clear, and the old unit also needed emptying, but with help from my brother Callum and Mark, we got my stuff in. I even started painting the ceiling, but I got bored, so it's a bit patchy.
But that will be done in time. As you can see as well, my lovely cabinets that I got for £200 when I first started my YouTube stuff in a unit, these here have come with me from the other unit, and they fit perfect, literally. If you look right over this end here, and over that end there, literally perfect. As you can see, the first benefit of the new unit is that it is actually a long unit as opposed to quite a short one. In the other unit I could only get one car in at a time because of where the two-post lift was, but now I have this scissor lift, not as ideal for doing stuff underneath a car, granted, but it does mean that I can actually wheel this around wherever I need it. And so onto this is my Herald that ChatGPT told me to buy. I asked ChatGPT a load of questions, asking it to find me the perfect project car, and here it is. Needs a bit of work doing as per the previous video about this car.
It is very, very rusty.
There is still quite a bit of work to do, but that is because I've been busy doing other stuff as well. I also got very bored painting the ceiling, so there's parts that I haven't bothered painting. And very quick thank you to my brother for helping, Mark for helping, and my granddad for helping get this place sorted out, because this place was full to the brim of stuff. And across here, there's a big metal frame that made some kind of spray booth. Which would have been handy, but I also wanted light from all these windows, and it was blocking all that light. So yeah. Oh, speaking of lighting, I want to get some new lights because I've got like these old kind of ones. I've only got two of them, so I need to try and do that as well to try and brighten up the place. As you can see, I've got a sofa over there and a TV here. We had this TV 2 years ago. For nothing actually, for free from a local business, and yeah, I want to try and put it up on here, finally make some use of it. Lighting needs to be done, as you can see, but we are getting there. So I've inadvertently made this video about the unit, so I'm going to sign that video off there, and then I'm going to start on the Triumph and make that a new video. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't already to stay up to date with everything that is going on. We're going to work on this Triumph and get this ready for the summer, and I've also got a new car. So I need to show you that as well. Right, I shall see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.
Oh, and by the way, Mark kindly fitted the new lights. Cheers, mate.